This is the Go.
Alright, tizogona kuti timubate. So right now, zvanitoita ndobva ndakutipira kuti it is happening live and direct. Tichitaura na Precious, the pilot. Of course, she was in the cabin crew. Asati aita pilot but nasi atu amotyairi wendege. Maybe Precious, if you just introduce yourself, unenge watibatsira.
Hello everyone, it's a pleasure to be on this platform. I'm Precious Sibalo. I'm a certified commercial pilot, born and raised in Bulawayo, Zimbabwe. My grandparents are originally from Plumtree, so I'll go ahead and say Mawuyani, Linjani, Moroi. Thank you so much for having me.
Okay, thank you very much, Precious. And maybe umbuzo waqala, the first question that we would want to ask after being probably a mom and going through what you went through at tender age, of course, who motivated you to pursue the dream of becoming a pilot?
Well, where do I begin? Actually, my desire and aspiration to be a pilot started at a primary school trip to Bulawayo International Airport. It's now known as Joshua Mqabula Airport. We went there and we saw some aircrafts landing and taking off. To me, that was fascinating. What I liked most was how pilots looked in their uniform, and that inspired me a lot. However, something really caught my eye. There were no female pilots. Later on, when we went back to class, I asked my teacher if it was possible to be a female pilot, and she said, yes, of course. Since that day, I told myself I was gonna be a pilot against all odds. Becoming a young mother didn't stop me from pursuing my dream.
A nice one, because pakawandisa pacho vanhu vanowanzochema kana, you know, if you have a baby at a younger age, most of vana vechidiki tinotombotya, tinotomborasika, tinotombo give up kuti ko saka ndodii, but then you did go on, and it is a motivation, I think, to somebody out there. Maybe another question kuvunza kuti, what is it like breaking barriers in a male dominated industry? How is it like?
Barriers in a male-dominated industry is a very fulfilling experience, I would say. It's liberating. I know most females think it's very difficult and impossible. However, with determination and focus, you can achieve anything in life. Yes, of course, there's gonna be a lot of scrutiny from people. So you have to constantly prove yourself by working harder and believing in yourself and your abilities. Because I believe with knowledge comes confidence.
Nice one. What challenges did you face as you try to balance studying and being a mom? Because we know that to put all those things together, ukochiverenga mwana achichema kana kuti kuita sei zvinowanzonetsa, saka iwo wakazviita sei?
Well, I was raised by my grandparents while my mom worked in South Africa, and then I also had a child at a young age, and I couldn't pursue my studies. Therefore, I had to go to South Africa to look for work. I worked as a waitress and also did part-time modeling. So the challenges, I would say, were being away from my child, considering that I had to leave her with my grandparents because I lost my mom during that period as well. So it was one of the most difficult times of my life. I knew that my daughter was in safe hands, but being away or being separated from your child is a very, very tough experience for any parent. So I worked in South Africa and then relocated to Dubai to work as a waitress as well there. While I was in Dubai, I got a job to work as a cabin crew in Qatar for Qatar Airways. And that's when I relocated to Qatar and started to raise money to be a pilot. And I thank God for the support from my family, from my friends, and the people around me. I was able to raise money to pursue my dreams. And the challenges, I would say, were, of course, having to pay my own school fees and at the same time pay my daughter's school fees and make sure my family back home was well taken care of. I mean, my siblings and my grandparents as well. So, well, those were my challenges. However, I never gave up despite those challenges. I kept on going.
Okay, that's exciting and intriguing. Maybe some words of advice to the younger you.
Wow, this one is a little bit tricky. Advice to my younger self. Well, I would say believe in yourself, precious. Keep dreaming big. Just because you are not where you want to be doesn't mean you are worthless. You are destined for greatness. God has greater plans for you.
And maybe some words of advice to the youth is one of your final words. What would you say to the youth out there?
My advice to the youth: wow, you guys are our future leaders. We believe in you. Yes, you. Focus on your studies, motivate yourself, love yourself, and support yourself. I know that social media plays a big role in influencing us. Therefore, follow people of good influence, people who motivate you and give good advice based on their experience. I remember for my flying as well, I followed people on social media who were already in aviation, and I watched a lot of YouTube videos. I got a lot of tips for my flying and for my exams as well. So I advise you to do the same. And another thing is get yourself a mentor, someone whose advice you can use to become a better person. To my girls out there, my girls, you can do anything you set your mind to. To all the young men out there, we want to raise a nation with good men, men of integrity, men who are brave, caring, and responsible, men who are our protectors. To all mothers, young mothers out there, please don't give up on yourself. Go back to school. Don't give up on your dreams. If I did it, you surely can, because education is the foundation to success. Never give up on yourself, because wishful thinking without action does not fulfill dreams. Stand up for yourself and work hard towards your dream. I know it is tough. It is not easy, and I know that it is always darkest before dawn, but the sun always rises. Yes, thank you so much, Audrey. Thank you so much, everyone. I wish you all the best.
Thank you very much, Precious, for giving us so much information and also giving us the greatest advice. Azonzena Precious kana makudoto ndibata ipapa pa Instagram mnogona ndibata pana Sibalop zvinenge zvakabatana SIBALOP on Instagram and on Facebook Pilot Precious Sibalo. Kwanza ndo pandinowanzo ratidzira ma videos angu flying the